Welcome to another session of Q Train. Today we want to look at how to create a drop-down menu with a rubric attached. This is a wonderful tool. First, let's look at what it is, how it is used, and then we're going to look at how to actually create one. If you notice on question 5, I have mini algebra book project. Okay, when I look at my options, I have exceed the standard, met the standard, did not meet, etc. Okay, but what exactly does it take to exceed the standard? Well, if I click on my magnifying glass, at the top of my screen, my rubric will appear. Well, it says, in order to exceed the standard, Notebook has the following: table of contents, title page, content excellent, directions given for each problem, and challenging problems submitted. Okay, and then it goes on to list what it takes to be a part of the rest of the different options on our rubric. Now, notice when I move the mouse or the cursor from option to option, it changes colors. Okay, I can click on exceed standard, and on the bottom, it actually appears exceed the standard. So I could pull up my rubric and then choose the option based on what I see in my rubric as opposed to going through the actual template itself. Okay, so this is what a drop-down list is with a rubric attached. Now, what we want to do is start our creation of one. Let's go to eWalk. We're going to go to Setup. Let's go to our wizard. Okay, now, from our wizard, what we want to do is create an element. And as stated in the other sessions, we have listed already our pre-existing elements, but we want to create a new one. Okay, select new type, new element type. We want to choose the drop-down list with rubric. Okay, so let's click that. Okay, now we're going to type in section 3, new element description. We want to type in, is my car clean? And we're going to obviously add a question mark. Okay, so this is our project. Is my car clean? All right, our first option, we're going to say exceeds standard. Add that. We're going to say met standard. Okay, say did not meet standard. And then I'm going to type in wash the car again. Okay, now looking at our list, we have X, which means delete, microphone, which means edit, and then we have this little link, attach rubric. We're going to click that, and a box appears in the upper left-hand corner. Its title exceeds the standard. So now I'm going to type in the criteria of what it takes to actually exceed the standard. I'm going to say car free of dirt, windows clean inside and out. I'm going to say seats and rug vacuum, tires are clean and armoralled. Let's just say clean and shiny. Clean and shiny. Let's capitalize that. What else do we want to talk about with our car? We want to say dashboard clean, trunk free of clutter. Okay, now if I have met all those stipulations, I have exceeded the standard. So I'm going to say save rubric. Okay, now if you notice, now my links are connected, so that means a rubric is attached. So now I'm going to click on the next. Okay, now we're going to go to met the standard. Okay, in the met the standard section, I'm going to type in car free of dirt, windows, period, window clean inside and out, seats vacuumed. Seats vacuumed. And we'll just leave it at that. So we have the car free of dirt, windows clean inside and out, and the seats vacuumed. Let's add the tires. Tires are shiny. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, now I'm going to do the next one. Did not meet the standard. Car still has dirt on it. The windows are not cleaned. Completely. Okay. Rug not vacuumed. Okay, so let's save that one. And the next one, did you use water? Please re-wash the car. Save rubric. Okay, I have just created my rubric. Now I want to save it. And I'm going to go to the eWalk tab. We're going to go to the setup template. Let's go back to our wizard and click on templates. We're going to add this question to a template 4. And we're going to, now notice something is getting ready to happen. We have 5 questions on the page. Now let's look at what happens when I add my 6th question. I get a box up top, a message that says, a page can have a maximum of 5 elements. Well, we have exceeded our 5 questions, so what I need to do is create a page. So I'm going to go here, click New Page. Yes, I want to create a new page. And it starts over. It says page 2, and I have 0 elements on that page. So now I'm going to come down here, add, and now I have a 6th question, which is the first question on page 2. Now let's save this. We're going to go back to eWalk, walkthrough, new walkthrough, let's go template 4. Okay, now let's go to page 2 because that's where our question is that we want to look at. It says, is my car clean? Exceeds the standard, met the standard, did not meet the standard, wash the car again. All right, let's look at our rubric. Exceeds the standard, car free of dirt, windows clean inside and out, seats and rug vacuum, tires are clean and shiny, dash clean, trunk free of clutter. Met the standard, car free of dirt, windows clean inside and out, seats vacuum, tires are shiny. Did not meet the standard, car still has dirt on it, the windows are not clean completely, rug not vacuumed. And obviously, wash the car again. Did you use water? Please rewash the car. All right, well, let's close. Now, as in the other example, at the beginning of our session, I said all I have to do is just click it, and it automatically selects it in our option window. Okay, that's our session of eWalk today. We have just learned how to create a drop-down list and attach a rubric to it. Thanks a lot.